hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Ikra signing in to my YouTube channel. Welcome you all to Art Academy. So today we are doing a charcoal drawing. It's a view of Badshahi Mosque, which I am doing in charcoal. जिसके लिए हमें कुछ materials required हैं, which is charcoal pencils, charcoal stick, a cotton bud, a brush, and a cutter, and of course your drawing. Drawing मैं पहले से कर लेती हूँ just to save some time. यहाँ पे मैं charcoal stick को थोड़ा सा cutter की मदद से scratch करूँगी, फिर charcoal powder बनाऊँगी, and after that I will be doing my sky with brush and this powder because it will give it a smooth texture. Or after that we will be continuing with our drawing. So yeah, if you like the video, if you like the tutorial, so give it a try and follow and subscribe. So please tell me what you want for the upcoming videos. It would be very helpful for me and easier for me to choose the next tutorials and the next videos. So yeah, keep it in mind and hit the like button and subscribe.